I am once again back at Kirby Family Farm, this time for Christmas Train. It's my first ever visit for Christmas Train. Gotta remember, it's not Scary Train. I'm so used to this being the Scary Train place, but let's check it out.
Oh, I heard Twister. That's the one where you spin the little spinny thing and you get all bent up into a pretzel. Are you going to leave milk and cookies for Santa? What did the reindeer get? Did they get carrots? Are you ready to go see Santa now?
Ready, Grayson?
1, 2, 3. Okay, now Jeff for real victory.
Love it.
Okay, what is it you want for Christmas? Yeah. Twister. Okay. Twister, what the Twister wife is broke, right? You don't want an extra tooth though, right? That's off the table. Missing, you know that. Look good. Been good though, right? Sure. You know I know, right? You gotta quit playing around in school, okay? You gotta pay really close attention. Get the grades, okay? Merry Christmas. I'll probably do that a little next time myself, okay?
So let's go and take a look at the elf shop. Here are the rules. Obviously, I'm not taking anything, but I will be shooting some video just so you see what you have here. It's a pretty cool thing that they do. And it's included with the admission to, and it's included with the admission to Christmas Train.
Thank you.
I missed the magic show that was on the stage earlier, but it's next kid's magic show, but it's already. So I am trying the funnel cake here at Gary's Nuts. Well, over there, but I'm trying the funnel cake. I had a piece just now, and it's really good, like a funnel cake should be. Not like the ones they have at Disney. Those are not good. Once again, I apologize for the short video here of the train ride. It's a lot more of these decorations that you're seeing here throughout the route. Please visit kirbyfarm.com for more information about this great nonprofit organization. And also thank you to Kirby Family Farm for having me out to experience this event. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop.